And we are back! This is Soul from Soul Star Sketcher. How you doing today? I hope you are having a fantastic day, because today I saw on the list for Inktober, it said Collide. Collide. Now, that can mean anything. And unfortunately, I have been in a couple accidents back in the day, and I didn't want to make a car crash. Sorry, that's going to trigger me a little bit. Look, I think that might cause some panic attacks, some anxiety I don't really want to have. I don't want that in my head right now. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to be in that headspace. So I started looking up train crashes, and then I happened just to find the one that's funny enough, right from the movie Unbreakable. And y'all remember Unbreakable? You know, with Bruce Willis. Remember that? Yeah. But M. Night Shyamalan. Remember, it was based about superheroes, superpowers, I guess you'll call it. I wouldn't quite say superheroes, more like superpowers, or the evolution of superpowers. Because I know we're gonna go into this for a second. I just want to talk about it for a second, because this whole trilogy of the Unbreakable series that M. Night Shyamalan made like a few years back. He like completed the entire thing. Only took him like 15 goddamn years, but you know, it took him 15 years to just wrap something like that up. I don't know why he waited so long for that, but okay, fine. I guess it's better time than never, because that movie is basically like 20 years now. Oh my god, Unbreakable's like 20 years old now. Oh my god. I feel so goddamn old. I saw that in theaters when I was a teenager. Dear god. Oh, I'm so old. I feel so old just remembering that now. Holy crap. But yeah, I just want to draw a collision. So I drew two trains. They smashed to each other, kind of obvious, on some mountain range, because that probably would have happened. It's a probability that probably would have happened. Yeah, it sucks, but yeah, there you go. And yeah, I'm gonna just end that with this today, because I don't have too much else to say. Because like I said, we are so close to finishing up Vlogtober/Inktober. We are so, oh my god, it's ridiculous how close we are right now. Fam, it's ridiculous how close we are. We are almost done. Let's finish this. So yeah, we're about 5 or 6 more episodes to go of this, and that's it. I'm not gonna do any more of these, because I'm sick of it, man. I'm not kidding. I'm sick of it. But I committed myself, like, no. You're gonna do this. You're gonna finish it, okay? You started this. You're gonna finish it, boy. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Alright, guys. You have a great one. I just want to say that, please, if you love what I'm doing right now, or just enjoy it at least, subscribe to the channel. If you really want to help out the channel later on, I mean, if you really like me, join the channel. Or better yet, go to my Patreon, which is patreon.com/StarsBorn. And also, remember, you can also get art commissions from me as well if you visit my website, which is soulstarsketching.weebly.com. I have everything listed right there. If you got any questions, just come on and ask me. And by the way, why I got you here, remember to share my stuff around to everybody. Share it around. Just share it. Talk about it. Whatever you want to do. Let people know about this channel. I'm trying to get this channel expanded. We are just about at 2,000 subs. I hope it stays that way, because YouTube likes to be real funny about sub numbers. All of a sudden, it just gone like that the next day. So, you know, help me out here, guys. You help me, I help you. Alright? Okay. And yes, I am going to be constantly updating on my community posts as well. So look out for that. Look at my community posts when you can. Alright? I appreciate that. Thank you so much. This is Soul. And we are wrapping up for today, because I gotta go into the next one already. Yeah, I'm not stopping, dude. I'm not stopping. I'm crazy. I'm insane. Stop me. Stop me. You can't stop me. I'm insane. No, go. No, go. Run.